Love this modular drawer system made by a company called Like It. And so I use this for socks and swimwear and all kinds of random stuff. Also really useful for a place in your kitchen as well. And so we're gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4 steps to my kitchen. And you can see underneath my kitchen sink, where usually that's an area that can be really messy, is here. But with this same product I use in my bedroom, I can use it in my kitchen. And I'm gonna pull this out so you guys can see it better. So I love how deep the drawers are because you can pull it all the way out and access everything in the back of the drawer. And then I love this basket thing. It's made by the same company called Like It. It's plastic, so you can just clean the basket whenever you want. But this is great. And I have so many random things in this little basket, like various different cleaning products of different heights and like towels and whatnot. Again, because they're from the same company, they just play really well together. Hi, thank you for watching. I had a lot of fun shooting this for you guys. I love sharing ideas on how to live a big life in a small space, especially a rental. If you like what you see, subscribe. Oh, I just dropped the mic. Larry just dropped the mic. Ah, oh my God.